Hi there, Tammy here, and today I want to show you my new calendar. I just received it. It's actually a 13-month planner by Lang, and this is the Songbirds edition. Lang is known for their beautiful photography and illustrations, and because of that, the most difficult thing is to choose a particular calendar theme. I chose Songbirds. It goes with my decor. So let's take a look at this. Very nice, high quality paper. In the front cover, you have special dates of the US and actually Canadian holidays as well for 2025. And then on a 2-page spread, you can see every month in the year. And then it just goes right into month by month. Half the months on the left, half on the right. Gorgeous photography. I'm not gonna flip through every page because one of the things I love is to be surprised when I turn the page to a different month and see the beautiful picture. In the back, you also have 2 pages for contacts, if you so choose, a page of notes. And then, of course, future calendars, 2026 and 2027. I love the Lang calendars and highly recommend them.